Let's make some homemade sloppy joes.
We're gonna start by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Add 1 pound of ground beef. The recipe actually calls for 2 pounds. I don't have a ton of grease in my ground beef, so I'm not gonna drain it because we're gonna add veggies to this. But if you do have a lot of grease, go ahead and drain your ground beef. Okay, so I chopped up a half large onion. I did 1 green bell pepper, and then I minced 5 garlic cloves. We're gonna go ahead and add this in, and we're gonna go ahead and mix this up for just a few minutes. We're gonna go ahead and add 1.5 cups of ketchup. We're gonna go ahead and add our spices. So I did 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard. I did 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and this is optional, but you can do a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We're gonna go ahead and add it into our ground beef mixture. We're gonna add a half cup of water. If you're using 2 pounds of ground beef, then you'll wanna add a whole cup of water. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're gonna add a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce. Then we're gonna add salt and pepper, just for taste. Go ahead and let your sloppy joe mix simmer for I'd say about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll put our sloppy joes together. This is our sloppy joes. That's what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and put the bun on top. And then I did make some homemade potatoes. I popped this in the air fryer. You could fry these too, but I think the healthier is. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and you will never go back to canned sloppy joes again once you make this recipe.